That was on me.
He shoots! He scores!
Episode 11. Okay, I am almost a week into this whole soda thing, and it's not that bad.
Wrong.
That is absolutely
Wrong.
proved over and over again.
To be honest, it's not that bad. Like, addiction to caffeine isn't really a thing. I think people just like it because they feel more energy or whatever, but no problem. I weighed myself again today. Boom! Dropped half a pound. Do I feel better? Sure, I guess. I'd feel better with a nice large Dr. Pepper with a lot of ice too, but hey, we don't always get what we want. Look, New Ball Tuesday is over. Well, not really over. It's just I'm done bowling league. I don't bowl till September. So for now, New Ball Tuesday is over for me. But if you want to see ball videos, old school BrunsNick ball videos that I used to do in the past, let me know. I can do them. I think it's time to bring it back. What better way to start it with these two? Thermo Solid, aka Tide Pod Ball. Thermo Pearl, no cute name there, just what it is. This might be the most hookingest mid-price ball on the market. I think it's the best performing ball on the market right now for mid-price ball, hands down. And yeah, I'm shaking because these are heavy. I'm out of shape. Comment below, tell me what you want to see. I can do pretty much anything you want, except, I don't know. Whatever, just comment below.